everyone, as promised, here's the first of the videos I'm doing to show you how to turn in your ALEKS work session assignments and your ALEKS progress assignments. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you're logged into ALEKS and you're on the home page. Looks just like this. The next thing you want to do is click in the upper left-hand corner on the three lines, and that will bring you down to reports. Now your reports page may look a little different from mine. It may be in a different order, but if you don't see the timeline report, which I have right here in the top center, you can always use the arrow over function to see a second set of reports. Once you find your timeline report, you will click on View Timeline Detail, and this will bring you to the month view for all your ALEKS logins. What you're going to do next is you're going to switch into the week view, and you can see that I logged into ALEKS, and this is my current. The orange one is my current login. Okay. Now I'm going to go back a week because I want you to see what I did last week as an example. So I'm going to scroll back 1 week, this bottom arrow down here, and you can see that I have 3 logins for the week of August 7th through the 13th. And you can see that in the upper left-hand corner here, August 7th through the 13th. All right, an empty circle means that I logged in, but I did not complete any topics. The number 6 inside the circle means I completed 6 topics, and the number 1, 1 topic. So you're gonna have however many topics that you completed each individual day. Now, every class has a different expectation because every class's ALEKS is different. Some of you may have 3 logins, some of you may have 4, some may have 2 topics, 3 topics, 4 topics. So refer to your Edgenuity class for what your class's expectation is. Once you have this report ready to go, you're going to do a full screen screenshot. And that's because you must have your name in the upper right-hand corner of the page, the date on the upper left-hand side of the page, and all of your logins for the week in the center. On a PC, you can do this by hitting the print screen button, usually found in the upper right-hand corner of your keyboard, and then you will Control V to paste the screenshot into a document. If you're on a Mac or at school, you can use Shift, Command, and 3 all at the same time, and it will send your screenshot to your desktop. You can see mine just went there to the upper right-hand corner of my screen. All right, now that you have your screenshot and you're ready to turn in your assignment, you're going to open a document of your choosing. And I'll erase this so you can see me do it. You need to label it with what the assignment is. So this is ALEKS Week 1 Topics. You can call it work sessions or whatever makes sense to you, but just make sure that it's something that you'll be able to find if we need to pull it up. Now on a PC, you can Control V to paste your screenshot into your document, or on the Mac, you can just drag and drop. Once your screenshot is in there and you're ready to submit, you're going to click File. You're going to download as and PDF. Again, if you're in Word or another document processing software, you may have a slightly different pattern than I do, but the process will remain very similar. For me, my download just went into my downloads folder, as well as a Chrome feature I have enabled, which is to put it in the bottom part of the page. You can see it's in my downloads folder as well. All right, I am ready to go to Edgenuity now and turn this in for a grade. From Edgenuity, choose the course that you're turning it into. From there, you'll want to go to the bottom center and choose Course Map. And you'll need to work your way through the assignments. This is an ALEKS weekly work session assignment. It is week 1, which is for my class right now, 3 work sessions. I'm going to click on that, and it brings up the page that tells me the expectation. This course has an expectation of 3 work sessions per week. A minimum of 4 topics mastered is required to earn credit for a work session. So even if you have a rough week and you don't get all of your work sessions completed fully, still turn in what you have at the end of every week. In my case, I would get credit. Remember, I only had the one login with the 6 topics. The other one didn't have at least 4. So I would get credit for one of my 3 work sessions. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my file. It's in my downloads. It's called ALEKS Week 1 Topics. And there it is. And I'm going to submit my assignment. And now you can see that it's pending and you can see what it is. All right, that's all you have to do. Now on my end as your teacher, I'll receive a message that you've turned in an assignment and I will be able to go in and grade it. Again, each class is different. Make sure that you are following the expectation at the beginning of the assignment for your particular class. Please let me know if you have any trouble with this or if you need any help making sure that it's in there. You don't want to do this every time you complete a day. You want to do this at the end of every week. So Friday afternoon, the last thing you want to do after you finish math and you finished all your work sessions for the week, then you'll take the screenshot, you'll put it into the document, create a PDF, and upload it that way. Thank you so much for watching.